That match last week was awesome. No, let me rephrase that. I was awesome last week. Chad Irons. You know, since the THCW has been a small promotion in New Mexico, Chad Irons is the one they come to see. The Flea, he's always been hardcore scum. He's always had to use weapons to defeat me. But you know what? I have my pack now. They've trained me. They've sharpened my nails, and my fangs are ready. I am home. I know what I need to do. Pure wrestling is the only way. I use my strength, my determination, and most of all, my intelligence to defeat people. You know what, Flea? That W is me. Chad, the Iron Wolf. Irons. I'm coming. Just wait.